Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone 16 Pro or any iPhone that you have on the latest version. So let's get started. I'm going to show you two different methods. The first method we're going to use are the buttons. So you're going to locate the volume up and volume down button along with this big side button. We're going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button just like that. We're going to wait for the phone to completely shut down. Make sure you avoid touching the screen, and when it says slide to power off, you do not need to touch that. Just keep on holding to that side button until you see the Apple logo appear and then let go, and that's going to do basically a restart with the buttons themselves. This method will not delete any of your data. It's safe to do, and it's going to just reload the code. Now, if it doesn't work the first time, keep on trying it. You want to make sure that you quickly press and release the volume up and volume down before holding on to that side button. Now, for some reason, if you can't get that to do it, if you have Siri, you can also get Siri to restart your iPhone by issuing a command like this. Hey Siri, restart my iPhone. Yes. And Siri will basically ask you to confirm that you would like to restart, and it will go ahead and restart your iPhone during this process where it's going to shut down and restart without you having to touch any of the buttons on your iPhone. Again, this method will not delete any of your data when you do this process, so you can do it without having to worry about that. As you'll see here, right now, we'll go back to the main screen and we will be good like that. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider a like and subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and giveaways on our channel. We'll see you guys next time.